Okay, so I don't have any 10 gauge flat bar. I do have 12 gauge, a couple different pieces, and we'll try to make a quick bend with a couple different things. One of them is a galvanized bracket, the other one is flat bar, and then I do have a piece of, like, I believe 19 gauge from the Studebaker. It was a piece I cut out, so it's a little smaller than the 18 gauge and bigger than the 20 gauge, so kind of leaves it. Most bodies were 19 gauge, so it kind of makes sense. Anyway, here are, so that's the 19 gauge. This is bracket that is 12 gauge, and flat bar, also 12 gauge. There's no problem bending that. Next, we're going to try this flat bar. Okay, this one's actually needing an angle. Good job. I stopped before 90 degrees, as you can see. I can easily put it back in there and then further. I'm going to check out the problem of this. I'm going to try to shorten it up so that we're ending a little bit shorter of a jump. Kind of send that up. Go no further on this one. There we go, that's good enough. Coming over 90 a little bit. Easy peasy. This stuff is definitely got some room to play with. I have a little deformation in the bracket, or I'm sorry, on the V-block, which I'll show you. So I'll have to review my settings for wall thickness and all that kind of good stuff for this. Also, that's fairly focused, so it could just be that it's, you know, pushing hard, or that last little bit that was going over the 90. You know, it would help that maybe have a gauge or something there to show it. So anyway, it's really encouraging stuff. Should make making brackets a whole lot easier. And I got some panels that I'm going to be forming for the windows, for the window regulator piece that holds the glass that slides. So I got a lot of forming to do in a panel that I'm going to make for that, and hopefully make my windows more efficient. Anyway, that's it for now. See you later.